What's up guys? So today in this video I wanted to show you how you can get more watch time by structuring the links that you send out from your YouTube in a certain way, and it's going to be really easy to do. I'm just going to show you how to set up the links, and show you like what to copy and paste. So if you haven't met me before, my name is Ben Green. I'm the owner of optimizeis, and we obviously have this YouTube channel, but we primarily help businesses set up the systems that operate while they're asleep essentially. So it's stuff like Airtable, Asana, Slack, mainly Zapier, and like internal automations on certain softwares. That's what we set up. If you're interested, check out the link in the description, but without further ado, we'll get right into the video now. Alright, so obviously I have my channel open right here, and I'm just going to show you real quick how to get this link, and this is really going to increase your watch time. And what I want to point out first is that like these are all my playlists. So like here's like a whole playlist on Airtable, here's a whole playlist on how to set up Airtable formulas and functions, here's just a few software reviews, here's some YouTube, no, these are workflow automation, and then here's some YouTube tutorials. So these are all structured in what are called playlists on YouTube. And playlists, you can select it like in each video, or you can like edit it at the video level, or you can go just make a playlist, which I'll show you how to do right now. So if you go to playlists, you can come in here, and it might actually be on this side, but if I come in here and say, like go to this playlist, if I want to add videos in here, I can like come up here, click right here and click add videos. But what I really want to show you is, so say I want to promote this playlist, and it might not even be that I want to promote the playlist, but I want to promote a video within this playlist. So say I'll just say I just posted this video. So I'll click on that video, and what's important is that I clicked from in the playlist. So if I click on that video like here, and I just want to show you the difference real quick. So this is how to automate YouTube with Zapier, but if I just go to my videos and I come down here and I go how to automate YouTube with Zapier, it'll pull up the same video.
So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you the
But, so I clicked from two different places, and one I clicked from the video and one I clicked from the playlist, and it's going to give you two different URLs up here. So, if you notice up here, this one doesn't even come to the end, and it's just like the basic channel video. But if you want to get people into watching a playlist, which they'll just like start binging your content if you have good content, if you click from in the playlist, you can get this, and as you can see, this won't even like begin to fit on the whole screen. So now when someone clicks into here, say I copy that, and I'm going to open up an incognito window. So hopefully you can see my little incognito window here. You can see incognito over here, and I paste that in there.
What's up?
Now you can see that it's going to autoplay these 6 videos. So whenever I'm sharing this kind of thing in like Facebook groups, whenever I'm sharing it like really anywhere, I want to be sharing this playlist, because, or at least like even if I'm sharing this video, if I come here,
What's up, YouTube?
then I can just click this video and it's going to give that like index 4 thing. Now sometimes if you're watching it from your channel and you've already started the video, it'll start it like wherever you last left off. So you're going to want to come up in here, and it'll say like, if you're 10 seconds in, it'll say like 10s or something like that. You just want to take that back down to 0. I don't have a good example of that right now. I might be able to find you one, but like if I come to my channel and go to playlists, and we'll just say view this whole playlist. Like if I come to this one, it's gonna already be playing from 5 minutes and 30 seconds in. So if you pick one like this, where you've already started watching it on your channel, what you want to do is you want to find right here where it says 330s, and you want to bring that back down to 0. So if I just delete the 3.3, it'll say 0. So now if I copy that and then paste it, it'll actually play it from 0. It won't play it from the last. It won't play it from the last part. So I hope that was helpful. If you implement this whenever you're sending out links, you'll be able to get more watch time on your channel. So I think it's going to be really impactful for like those of you who want to get that more watch time and you just want a simple little trick on how to do this. So now if you're curious about how to get a better call to action in every single one of your videos and get them to actually go watch that next video, click this end screen right here and you'll go to my YouTube call to actions tutorial on how to get more watch time through YouTube call to actions. So go click that video right there and you'll learn more about YouTube call to actions. It's a great video, YouTube call to actions.